Hi guys. In our previous video, we saw how to install MySQL on Ubuntu 20.04. Today we will see how to install phpmyadmin, which is just UI-based client, a PHP client for browsing MySQL or just to access manage MySQL instances. We will see how to install phpmyadmin on Ubuntu 20.04 in this video. To install phpmyadmin, we need following prerequisites to be installed. Before that, we need MySQL, PHP 5 plus, and Apache server as a prerequisite. We have to install that before installing phpmyadmin. You can find PHP, MySQL, and other Apache installation links in the description. Yes, we have by phpmyadmin available in Ubuntu repositories itself, so we can just install it using apt command. Just type sudo apt install phpmyadmin. Before installing phpmyadmin, if you want to see if you want to just know the package version and other information, you can use apt show php. You can use apt show command. Just type apt show phpmyadmin. So it will show you the details of that package. You can see that here, right? The install size of if we install it will occupy 27 MB, and the version of phpmyadmin available in this Ubuntu repository is 4. So okay, now just we'll proceed with installation. So it is suggesting few things to be installed as it is and as these are the dependencies and recommended package for phpmyadmin installation. We have to install these as well along with the phpmyadmin. So just press S and just proceed with that. So this will download 16 MB of packages. Now just select the web server that you want to use. In my case, like I just have Apache installed in my system, so I'm just selecting Apache 2 and click tab and enter, select OK. Okay, okay, now you can just select as and configure your database here itself. Just type some password for your phpmyadmin user. Okay. So we just configured our phpmyadmin user for MySQL database. So our phpmyadmin installation is successful. Now we will see how to use it through browser. Just type /phpmyadmin. Okay, now just enter the username of just enter the username for your MySQL database. just enter username and password for your MySQL database, and you are set. Now I'm able to access my database information. Now I'm able to access my database server. You can see the schema and other things here, right? So now we will just create we will see how to perform basic operations using phpmyadmin. Just type, for example, if you want to create a new database, just go to databases tab, or just you can click here and create new database. Okay, now just type uv shop 2. Okay, just click on create. Yeah, now just create a new table. Let's say branches. Number of columns going to be 2 for me. So one. Now define your columns for the table branches. Okay, one column is ID and integer, and the default value will be none. Okay, now just I'm setting auto increment, so, and this as a primary key. The other column name is, I'm just setting it as a name, branch name. Okay, and this is going to be varchar. The length value going to be 100, and it should not be null as well. Okay, fine. This is looking fine. Now just click on save so that the table will be created. Yep, now our table has been created. So we don't have any data here. It is empty table. You can see the query here, right? And we don't have any data here. Now if you just want to insert a data, you can do it here itself. Now if you want to insert data, you can click here, insert. You can enter values here. Name my branch 1. Okay, here my branch 2, and just click on go. So now the data has been inserted. You can check that with other query. Yeah, now our data is available here, right? We can see that. That's all, guys. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more updates.